Welcome. In this video, we're walking through exactly how to enable app icon badges for recommendation notifications on the X app. If you've ever missed an update or wanted to quickly see when new recommendations are waiting for you, turning on app icon badges makes it super easy. Let's go step by step together. First, start by unlocking your phone and opening the Settings app. This is where all the key customization options for your device are kept, and it's the place where we can manage how different apps send out notifications. Next, scroll through the list and tap on Apps. This section gives you control over every application installed on your device. Find and select the X app from the list. Once you've tapped on the X app, look for the Notifications option. Tap it to open a detailed menu that shows all the different ways the app can notify you. Inside this menu, tap on Notification Categories. This is an important section because it breaks down notifications into specific types, making it easy to choose exactly which alerts you want and how they should show up. From here, locate the category called Recommendations from X. This is the one tied directly to personalized suggestions and updates from the app. After opening it, you'll see an option to toggle on app icon badges. Switch this on, and from now on, whenever a new recommendation lands, a badge count will appear right on the X app icon. That way, even if you haven't opened the app, you'll know something new is waiting. To double-check, return to your home screen and confirm that the feature is active. The next time a recommendation arrives, you'll notice the app icon clearly displaying a badge, keeping you in the loop without having to constantly open the app itself. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've set up app icon badges for recommendations on the X app, making your experience more organized and ensuring that nothing gets overlooked. Keeping your notifications customized like this allows you to focus only on the updates that really matter.